Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore village nearby Ubud. So today we will explore a village in between Ubud and Sanur. Okay guys, if you want to know how look like the station in village Bali, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore village nearby Ubud. Actually, this is still during the pandemic corona. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because I believe there is a lot of people want to know the situation village in Bali during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali. And today we will explore the village in between Ubud and Sanur. So for me it's like a shortcut way from Ubud to Sanur or from Sanur to Ubud. When I took my customer drive around my tour in Bali, I always take this way because it's more quiet, not so many cars, and we cross by the beautiful village. And also in between Ubud to Sanur, there is a waterfall we call the Gunungan. And before the pandemic corona, I've been there so many times. It's very beautiful waterfall and very green area. And if you see along the way, there is a lot our flag, Indonesian flag, because last month was our Independence Day. So that's why there is a lot of flag. You see at the front, there is a family temple, right side. Okay, in Bali we have four kind of different temple. The first temple we call family temple. So every family they have one temple at home. They pray usually 3 times a day, in the morning, middle of the day, and afternoon. And second temple we call village temple. So every village they have some temple. They pray together, maybe around 1 week one time, and they organize a birth ceremony in village. And number 3 we call main temple. Main temple is mean a big temple. So every people from around the world, if they are Hindu, want to pray, they can pray right there. So in Bali also we have some main temple. And number 4 we call premier temple. Premier temple is mean they make a temple maybe in the middle of the road, also beside the street, also in the rice field. So when you are ever been Bali and you see the temple in the middle of the road, it's mean like Balinese Hindu, they pray for themselves and pray for the other people. So that's why they put the temple in the middle of the road and they put the offering right there for safety for everyone. You see this area? It's very beautiful village, isn't it? It's very quiet but still very beautiful. Okay guys, if you see in the right side there is a lot of temple, but not in the left side. It means family temple, they must be in the east side of house or north of house. So that's why in the right side there is a lot of temple, because in the east side. You see, so far it's very quiet, isn't it? I mean, not so many cars. And so not so many people too, because in this area usually there is people who work making wood carving. And now we are in around Mas village. Mas village that is very famous for wood carving village. A very beautiful flag. Okay, you see left side, there is a village temple. It's very beautiful, isn't it? If you see the weather today, it's very beautiful, isn't it? It's very clear, very sunny. and beautiful village with the flags. I love to see that. You see how green this area. So that's why Ubud very famous with the jungle. And there's a lot of people want to stay in Ubud because very more nature and more green. You see in the right side? Temple, family temple, family temple, family temple. So that's why Bali also we call 1,000 of the temple island, because there is a lot of temple around here. I mean in Bali. You see, so far it's very quiet, isn't it? On the street, there is almost no car and no motorbike, just few of them. Actually, it's not because the corona. It's like normally in this area always quiet, because mostly people stay at home and do work in wood carving. You see at the left side, there is a village temple, also a beautiful temple. You see, it's very beautiful, isn't it? Ooh. There's a lot of flag around here. It's very beautiful and look very clean, isn't it? Is anyone been here before? Yeah, I hope you ever been here before. This area is so beautiful. You see the flag everywhere. It's very beautiful, isn't it? I love this village very much because beautiful. Actually, in the left side, there is a rice field. You see? It's very green around here, isn't it? It's very beautiful. And every time I took my customer around this area, they asking me to open car window because they want to feel how the fresh air in this area, because in this area is so green. Okay guys, so this is village in Bali. In between Ubud and Sanur. It's very beautiful, isn't it? It's more green around here and very beautiful. Okay guys, if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video, because I believe there is a lot of people want to see how look like the village in Bali. It's very beautiful. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.